wig on really quick because the sun was setting and I still missed the sun. Okay, I'm getting distracted. That's not y'all issue. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl is Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today I am giving you guys a new wig from Outre. This is a very easy beginner friendly wig, but I do want to tell you guys about this wig, so stay tuned. In this video I'm going to show you how I put it on and then wrap it up with my final thoughts. If you're new here, I do a lot of wig reviews on this channel and I also do some skincare and I do some makeup. But before we get started, give this video a thumbs up if you like content like this and hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into it.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Yeah, we.
So we're done putting on this wig. I have some things to tell you guys. How y'all feeling? I'm feeling okay. Putting on the wig, I told y'all, brings me to life and I'm feeling okay. So let's jump into it. So today we're talking about this Outre Sleeklay part wig and her name is Emery and I have the color DRFF Honey Brown. So just a few specs. This is from the Sleeklay part collection, which means that your part is going to be basically sleeked and laid. You don't have to add too much heat to the part, so I'll get into that in a second. It also says it's a deep C lace part, which it is very deep. It is very deep over here. Key features, it says it's a wider hand-tied lace part, humpless, laid finish, natural baby hairs, heat friendly. This wig is reminding me of a wig and I think it was from the same collection. Hold on. Sorry, I had to look it up. So this wig is actually reminding me of Brasilia to the side. So the texture on this wig is definitely a yaki texture. It's not silky at all. It's definitely a yaki texture. The texture is not too thick like Anisha, but she's definitely the texture of like Brasilia. So she's that texture to me. So it says it's going to give you a deep C lace part. This part is so deep, meaning like deep all the way down, that I literally was like fumbling with the wig thinking that I didn't have the wig on because it's so far down, which is not bad, but it's just further down than most parts, so it's kind of down. You're gonna get a lot of nice parting space on this. It says it's a C part. I did have to go in a little bit more with my comb and kind of curve it just a little bit more because it was a little bit too straight to my liking. I did have to pluck out some hairs in the part just to kind of open up that parting space, and I did add some powder. It says it's humpless. Now, I have reviewed a couple Sleeklay part wigs before in the past, and normally you don't have to add any heat to these parts, but I felt like this wig was a little bit humpy. I had to touch it and feel if it had some filler hairs in there, which it doesn't, but I felt like it was slightly humpy. It could be the packaging, but then also too, I did realize that my hair is not braided really flat. I feel like that makes a difference, so keep that in mind. I feel like this would lay a little bit better if your hair is really, really flat. Now, as far as the cap goes, this cap to me feels like it's really on the snug side. I did go in with the wig grip this time because I did install this wig. Well, I didn't install it at all. I literally put it on my head like a hat, y'all. I wanted to put this wig on really quick quick because the sun was setting and I still missed the sun. Okay, I'm getting distracted. That's not y'all issue. I was trying to hurry up and put this wig on, and I didn't put any glue on this wig, so literally I put it on with a wig grip. I feel like this wig is so beginner friendly that you can put this wig on with a wig grip and be fine. It says it's pre-plucked. I don't agree with that, but I'm not gonna go in and pluck this wig anymore because it's okay, but I feel like it could have been plucked just a little bit better. I wasn't gonna do all that because this is hanging down and, you know, I feel like it's covering it and you can't really see it. But if anything, I would pluck right here if I had time and felt like it, but I ain't feel like it. So guess what? We ain't plucked nothing today, okay? I did have to go in with my hot comb at the top and smooth out the top here because, like I said, it was a little bit humpy. Also, this wig, initially to me, it was coming off a little bit wiggy. I don't know. I wasn't feeling it like that. I thought I would love this wig. It's pretty, but I don't love it. I don't love it. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't love it. The curls are just a little bit, something's just a little bit off. I don't know if, I feel like maybe it needs a little bit more layers here. Like this side to me is not really falling right. And with this highlighted part, I would want to see these highlights. Like, look at that. Look at all that face frame and highlight, but it's kind of hiding when it's like that. And I would want to see the highlight, but then I would need this to be plucked a little bit more. I don't know. Maybe it's just because I'm moody. I don't know. It's a pretty wig, and I feel like this would look really good in a natural color. And I also feel like this is a good put on your head, beginner friendly glam look wig, but it's just not one of my favorites. I feel like Outre has given us a lot of bangers, especially recently. It's okay for me. It just needs a couple customizations, but y'all know I'll be selling my wig, so it's definitely gonna be in the description box below. I would add some layers in here, add some layers on this side, and overall she's okay. She is getting a little tangly on me, but I did go in with some new wig spray, y'all. I feel like that detangling spray does make a difference. I bought this new Brandywine leave-in synthetic wig spray because if you guys know me, you know I swear by the shampoo and conditioner from Brandywine, and I saw they had a detangling wig spray and I bought it. But I also bought this Simply Styling Like Sleek spray. Shout out to Is That Your Hair? Everybody's raving about it. So I finally bought this, and I feel like it kind of replaces me using my serum, because normally if you guys have been following me, you know that I have been using a conditioning wig spray with serum. So I'm using a conditioning spray now with this. And the only reason I'm not using this alone is because I did test this out just a little bit. I tested it out on some other wigs this weekend, and I feel like this is cool, but I feel like it gets a little bit too oily for me. It just needs like a splash. Like, don't go too heavy on the spray because it definitely will be too oily. But I feel like it still needs conditioner. Like, this texture on this, I'm not sure if it's the color or what, but I feel like this wig was a little slightly dry to me. It definitely just needs a little bit of conditioning, and because I love the conditioner so much, that I feel like this softens it up. So the combination of these two I feel like works well together. I did get a little bit of shedding on this wig, but not too much, but she is shedding on me. It could be just the way I cut the lace, y'all, but overall it's a beginner wig. And it's cute. Is it my favorite? No, it's not. But it's cute, but it's just not my favorite. She's a look. She's definitely a look. I hope you guys appreciate the honesty. I've been like telling y'all a lot of bangers lately, but this is not a wig that I'm in love with. I do like how easy this wig was to put on. Literally, you just put this wig on. I do love the color on this wig. I feel like this color is beautiful, and I feel like in a natural color she would actually look really, really pretty. I don't know. I don't love her. I don't know if it's this or what it is, but I'm just not in love, y'all. I'm not in love, and you guys would know it if I don't love something. You would know it, but she's okay. Anyway, let me know what y'all think about this wig. Do you have her? Are you feeling what I'm saying about the layers? Y'all let me know. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Drop me some comments. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.
Hiding these feelings, going through changes.